come hang out with me in the Aries Sweets kitchen today while I make the ultimate bakery style coffee cake and I will share some of my unpopular opinion as a baker. Number 1. Fondant is always beautiful for art, but fresh cream or buttercream is always a winner for taste. Sometimes people get caught up in the making a cake look like a purse or a shoe that they forget that actually has to be eaten. Number 2, and this one is important for the exact recipe. Coffee cake belongs in almost every chocolate or mocha dessert. Even if you hate drinking coffee, adding a shot of espresso to your batter doesn't make it taste bitter. It actually makes the chocolate flavor 10 times richer. It is the ultimate baking cheat. Number 3. The best part of a coffee cake is not the cake itself, it is the streusel crumb layer in the middle and on top. If a coffee cake doesn't have a thick, buttery sugar crumb layer, it is just a muffin in disguise. We don't skip the crumbs around here. And my final unpopular opinion, baking is completely a science, but decorating is pure therapy. Weighing ingredient has to be perfect, but once that cake is baked, you can just let your creativity take over. It is the best feeling in the world. Look at how perfect this turned out. The smell in this kitchen right now is unbelievable. The crumb topping is crispy and the inside is so incredibly soft. So, which of my unpopular opinions do you completely disagree with? Tell me in the comments down below. And don't forget to like and follow if you want the full written recipe for this coffee cake. When you run a small business like Aries, you spend so much of your time creating custom cakes and beautiful treats for other people's special days that sometimes you forget to bake something warm and comforting just for yourself. Now for the absolute best part, just look at how the knife cuts through that crispy, buttery streusel topping. That sound is pure perfection. And look at how soft and fluffy the inside is. If this made you crave a slice, let me know in the comments what your ultimate comfort dessert is. Don't forget to hit that like button, save this for your next baking day and follow along for more sweet